They say the way to the heart is through the stomach. But what if the meal isn't just about satisfying hunger? What if it's about creating a moment, a memory, a story you'll both tell for years to come? Tonight isn't just about dinner. It's about impressing her, without saying a word. Welcome to Tales of Wanderlust, where today, we're cooking up something unforgettable. In the age of fast food and faster dates, the art of a home-cooked meal is almost a lost language. But for those who understand it, it's pure magic. Because anyone can make dinner. But it takes something special to create an experience. Tonight, we're crafting 3 meals, each with its own story, each with the power to impress, to surprise, to enchant. First up, the first date risotto. Creamy, rich, and irresistibly elegant. A dish that says, I want to impress you, but I'm not trying too hard. Legend has it, risotto was born out of a mistake. A young chef distracted by love, stirring rice too long. The result? A creamy masterpiece that became a symbol of passion and patience. The secret isn't just in the ingredients, but in the rhythm. Stirring slowly, letting each grain soak up the warmth, the flavor, the anticipation. It's about taking your time, because tonight, nothing should feel rushed. But if risotto is about patience, then our next dish is about boldness. The seductive steak au poivre. Pepper-crusted, flame-kissed, and dripping with confidence. They say the French perfected this dish to impress lovers, to show strength, skill, and just the right amount of fire. It's a dance of heat and flavor, balanced with a velvety cognac sauce. Smooth, like a well-timed compliment. But the real secret? It's not the pepper, or the sauce. It's that first bite. The look in her eyes when she tastes it. That's when you'll know, you've got her attention. And finally, for those who believe in happy endings, the chocolate lava cake. Decadent. Warm. Unexpected. They say it was an accident. A chef pulled a cake out too early, revealing a molten center. But sometimes, imperfection is the most beautiful surprise. Serve it warm, topped with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Let the contrast of hot and cold play together, just like the thrill of a first kiss. But remember, it's not just about the food. It's about the story you create. The way you pour her wine. The laughter shared over a kitchen mishap. The way you look at her when she's not looking. Because tonight isn't just about impressing her. It's about making her feel special, cherished, unforgettable. And when she looks at you, her eyes reflecting the candlelight, you'll know it wasn't just the meal. It was the memory you made together. 3 dishes. 1 night. Endless possibilities. This is Tales of Wanderlust.